Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add the Launchpad back to the dock on your Mac. If yours has gone missing, don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to bring it back. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps out the channel. Thanks so much. Alright, let's get into it. First, open a Finder window by clicking the Finder icon at the bottom left of your dock. In Finder, look under Favorites for Applications, then click on it. If you don't see applications listed, no problem, you can add it. Just click on Finder at the top left of your screen, go to Settings, and then select the Sidebar tab. From there, make sure Applications is checked under Favorites. Now that Applications is visible, scroll down until you get to the letter L. You'll find Launchpad right there. If you double-click it, it'll open your apps, but what we want is to add it directly to the dock. To do that, click and hold on Launchpad, then drag it down to the dock. Place it wherever you want, and then release your mouse or trackpad. That's it. You'll now see the Launchpad icon in your dock. Anytime you want to open it, just click the icon. To exit Launchpad, simply click anywhere outside of it. I hope this quick tutorial helped. If it did, drop a like, and leave a comment if you have any questions. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks.